Building a business can sometimes be very easy, but building a sustainable income stream business is complicated, require a lot of professional skills, and equally require lots of strategic plannings. And even in most cases, it requires a lot of hard work, patience, and consistency. So in our today's video, I've actually come to reveal some secrets based on my own personal experience on my journey as a content creator on how to actually build a sustainable income stream business with video editing. Yes, building a stream of income or building a business or starting a business can actually make you money, but you need to look out for sustainability in any type of business or any type of income stream you are trying to build. And you can actually build a sustainable stream of income in two ways. You can either do it online or offline, and with video editing we can build a sustainable stream of income either online or offline. So do not be in a hurry because I'll reveal how everything is done in this video. Okay, my name is Daniel Anthony, guys. What I do on YouTube is teach any of my interested subscriber and viewer how to build a sustainable stream of income online, not just making money online alone, but how to build a sustainable stream of income online with the utilities of digital skills. Okay, and video editing happens to be a very high in demand digital skill which I have been practicing for the past 3 years as a content creator. I have practiced video editing with different softwares, be it computer softwares and mobile phone softwares. For computer softwares, I've used video editing softwares like the Movavi Editor Plus. I've equally used DaVinci Resolve, and currently I'm making use of the Adobe Premiere Pro, which I'll strongly recommend for industry standards sake. Okay, then for the mobile phone softwares, I've made use of software like the CapCut video editor and the InShot video editor. So you can actually lay your hands on any of these software that I've listed if you want to build a sustainable stream of income, or if you have an intention, or if you have picked interest in building a sustainable stream of income online. Like I said, it can be done online and offline, but the one I'll be focusing on more in this video is how to actually build this sustainable stream of income online with your video editing skill. But that doesn't mean I won't talk about the offline strategy. I'll equally reveal the offline strategy, how you can do it offline as well and make money and build a sustainable stream of income offline with your video editing skills. So if you want to do it online, let's say you want to build a sustainable stream of income online with video editing skill, because the main purpose of my channel here is to help you make money online sustainably with your digital skill. And as an internet hustler, based on my years of experience, I've actually come to realize that nobody actually makes money online sustainably without a digital skill, and sustainability in the aspect of finance is what everybody is really looking out for, and that's what I strongly advise and recommend. And if you want to do this thing with video editing, first of all, you have to master the video editing skill. Yeah, it's a digital skill that pays well, and you will have different opportunities if you are very good with video editing skill. So let's assume you've decided now to master a video editing skill, then you decide to master Adobe Premiere Pro, which I mostly recommend, and I've done a lot of tutorials on how to edit videos with Adobe Premiere Pro. So I strongly recommend you go for Adobe Premiere Pro. And if you want to start making money now online, or if you want to build a sustainable stream of income online with your video editing skill, you have to look into the content creation industry, or you have to look into the digital content creation industry. The digital content creation industry, most especially the video content creation industry, is rapidly evolving, and the demands of video content is rising rapidly. People now prefer consuming video content more than any other content type or content format because of the viewing pleasure that video content now comes with, most especially now that videos are shot on high resolution cameras. Even phones can now shoot on HD, and some phones can shoot on 4K. So now video content have become much more appealing to human in terms of viewing pleasure, and the viewing pleasure that video content actually comes with, most especially now that video editing softwares have been so advanced and comes with nice and interesting graphics during editing. It have really made humans to fall in love with video content, and they now demand video content a lot, which have spiked a boost in the video content creation industry. So if you are someone who is looking forward to building a sustainable stream of income online, you have to know that video editing and the video editing industry is where you really need to look at for. Okay, as a video content creator, you either publish your content on social media platforms, or let's say you are a movie producer, let's say you say you create and sell your content to TV channels or whatsoever. But the easiest way to actually get started with this without even spending much money is to start creating and publishing your content on places like YouTube and Facebook. Instagram is there as well, but the one I strongly recommend is YouTube and Facebook. YouTube have been there and YouTube have come to stay. If you decide to become a YouTube content creator today, you have already made a bold step towards building a sustainable stream of income, because YouTube will not go away any moment from now. So you have to look into digital content creation industry, video content, because on this channel we mostly focus on the utilities of digital skill and content creation with the digital skill, and freelancing and social media management and all of those stuffs. Okay, so if you are a video content creator now, let's say you've decided to become a video content creator on YouTube, you want to start publishing your video content, there is no YouTuber that is not a video editor. So the video editing aspect, or the video editing section in the video content creation industry, can never be omitted. In fact, video editing is the engine room, is the base foundation of video content creation. Nobody creates an astonishing video without video editing. And if you're a video editor, the demand of your service comes from here and there. And if you want to start creating content for yourself and publishing for yourself, let's say you don't want to work for anybody, because you can equally become a freelancer after you must have mastered your video editing skill. Let's say you decide to not work for somebody, you decide not to edit for somebody, just like me. I work alone, I work for myself. I don't work as a freelancer. I tried it before, but due to my tight schedule, I couldn't meet up. I made some money from it though, but I couldn't meet up. So video editing is very okay, especially with YouTube and Facebook. You can do it. Video editing skill, you can start creating, editing and uploading videos onto YouTube. Then on this channel, we equally talk about YouTube content creation and monetization. And if you stick around, you get more information and videos in the near future on how to grow a YouTube successful channel, because YouTube will actually help you make money online sustainably. If you become a YouTube content creator, YouTube pays every day and they pay in dollars, in case you happen to be in countries where dollar is not used, or where dollar is much more higher than your currency. So if you become a YouTube content creator and start earning in dollars, that's a double-edged sword for you to cut with. So the important thing now about YouTube content creation is that this is a stream of income that has no end. So it's a journey, like you keep on going, and this is what you are looking out for: sustainability. Your money keeps coming as you keep on pushing out more content, you keep on creating more video content. That's how people keep on watching your content, people keep on subscribing to your channel, you keep on growing, more views start coming in. That's how you keep on making money consistently. Like, this is a proven strategy, it's a proven method of building a sustainable stream of income online with video editing, YouTube content creation and Facebook content creation. If you are good at video editing, I've been a video editor for the past 3 years. I can edit with mobile phone softwares, I can edit with computer softwares. I've used advanced softwares. The current computer software I'm using now is the Adobe Premiere Pro, which we use for our tutorial on this channel, because we rebranded and we have picked video editing as the base foundation of our YouTube channel. Then we'll now transcend into YouTube content creation with our video editing skill. Then we'll look at into establishing our presence on other social media platforms like LinkedIn and Facebook, before we now decide to maybe go into or look into freelancing or the freelancing industry, where we can equally use or render our video editing skill as services in exchange of money. You can become a video editor. People edit YouTube videos alone and make thousands of dollars on monthly basis on platforms like Fiverr. Okay, so that's for that. Becoming a freelancer is equally another way of building a sustainable stream of income online, because some of these companies that will hire you on these freelance platforms like Fiverr and Upwork, they are companies that want to keep you. They want to keep you because they need your service often. Let's say they happen to be content creation company as well. They will need your service. Each and every now and then they might be creating content and they'll be needing the service of a video editor. So if you are a very good video editor, let's say you run or you edit with the advanced video editing software like the Adobe Premiere Pro or the DaVinci Resolve, your service will highly be needed, because these are skilled or these are highly advanced video editing software that very few people know how to use. So if you know how to use such video editing software, automatically your service will highly be needed on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and you can even take out to LinkedIn. I'm equally on LinkedIn. I think I'm approaching about 2,300 followers on LinkedIn. You can establish your presence on LinkedIn as well, where you can easily find job opportunities on video editing. They post jobs every now and then. Just turn on the job alert notification on video editing. Every now and then you'll be getting job alert that you can easily apply for, and you make money as a video editor if any company or any job poster on the platform tends to hire you. So that's how easy it works. But the one I mostly focus on is creating content for your own self, establishing a YouTube channel and creating your own personal content for your own channel and editing it with your own video editing skill. That's how you make the real money as a video editor, and it happens to be the most sustainable strategy of making money with video editing, which is content creation, video content creation rather, either for YouTube or for Facebook. But the one I would strongly recommend is you doing it for YouTube, because YouTube pays more, and YouTube comes with more opportunities. YouTube will help you reach out more people, because YouTube I think receives over 80 billion monthly visitors, so there are a lot of people to target on YouTube that will definitely watch your content. So all you just have to do is to start your YouTube channel. I have a video that talked about the basic steps you need to start a YouTube channel and succeed, from step 1 to the final step. So the link of the video will be in this video description below. Make sure you watch the video and learn the steps. I've done a lot of videos on how to design YouTube thumbnail, how to create YouTube channel, how to do a lot of stuff on YouTube, and more will equally be coming. So if you stick around, we'll be sharing video editing content, we'll equally be sharing YouTube content creation content. So you'll be learning, and you know how to move in this path towards building your own sustainable stream of income as a video editor. I'm a video editor, and I happen to be a YouTube content creator as well. I use my video editing skill for creating content for my YouTube channel, and that's how I've managed to build a sustainable stream of income online with my video editing skill. Okay, so that's for the online method or the online strategy. You can either do it with content creation, or you do it with freelancing on freelancing platforms or online freelancing platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. And if you intend doing it offline, you can equally do it as an offline freelance service. That was 3 months ago. I traveled to Asaba, and I went to visit my sister, my elder sister, and her husband, which happens to be my in-law, Zodias. He's the CEO of Zodias. So I met this girl. Her name is Nancy. She happens to be a very good video editor. Like, her skill of video editing was even much more advanced than mine. So I asked her, Nancy, what's up? Like, why are you not on YouTube? Why didn't you decide to take your video editing skill into digital content creation for maybe Facebook or YouTube? You know what she told me? She said she's comfortable working as an offline freelancer with her video editing skill, that she has about 4 companies that she works with consistently, like they're available, and one of them happens to be the Zodiacs company, which happens to be my elder sister's husband's company. So where what they actually do is they create movies. They create Nollywood movies. That's Nigerian Nollywood movies. That's what he creates. He equally uploads them on YouTube, so you can equally check out his YouTube channel to believe what I'm saying, Zodiac's Nolly TV. When I talked with Nancy at length, like, I kept on asking her, but why? You should have. He said no, like she works with 4 companies already, and they pay her very well. Like, they always need her service, because these companies are YouTube content creators as well, so they always need the service of a video editor, most especially if the owner of the YouTube channel is not always available or is not a skilled video editor. They always need the service of a video editor. So that's how you actually build a sustainable stream of income offline with your video editing skill. Okay, now Nancy is working for 4 different companies. Every now and then she's receiving calls, come over to Port Harcourt, come over to Lagos, come over to Benin for video editing job, come over to Asaba. So that's how she has been doing it as an offline freelance video editor. So you just imagine a girl who happens to be a video editor doing it offline, and working with 4 different companies. That's somehow a sustainable stream of income, but maybe along the line it might no longer be sustainable, but you can actually start with that. But the most sustainable one is creating digital content with your video editing skill. You can learn it. It's not difficult. It's just steps. You have to follow the basic steps, grind through the process, learn and understand all of the necessary steps and processes. So that's how you get started with YouTube and video editing. Learn the video editing skill, come over to YouTube, start creating and publishing content on your YouTube channel. It's free to start a YouTube channel, monetize it, and you are good to go. Okay, so guys, if you want more updates on how to build a sustainable stream of income online, or building a sustainable stream of income online with YouTube content creation or YouTube video content creation, I'm always available. Please drop your comments in the comment section below. And if you think maybe there's something I didn't really talk about that you needed me to talk about, just drop your comment in the comment section below. I will equally look into them. Okay, I'm always available 24/7. I'll respond to you as fast as possible. So it's easy, guys. Although it's not easy, I won't say it's easy, but at the same time it's easy because it's worth the grind. Anything that remains sustainable is worth the grind, no matter the duration of time, even if it takes a year, 2 or 3. This is a long-term strategy, so you have to be patient. I have always learned how to apply patience all the period I have been a content creator for YouTube. So it's not an easy journey, but it's worth the grind. You can do it, and if you put in the effort and the hard work, you definitely be successful with it. Okay guys, before I go, let me quickly remind you something. I actually created a Facebook group known as the Creatives Family, where we come together and interact as content creators that are striving towards building a very huge sustainable stream of income online with their digital skill or offline. Join the group. The link to the Facebook group will be left in the description below. I'm always available at the group, so you can always even ask me questions personally. I'll equally be sharing some updates and tips and tricks, hacks on how to grow a sustainable stream of income with digital skills. Okay, because I'm always on the research for how to make this money, not just making the money, making it sustainably. Okay guys, I just have to say bye bye for now. I love you all, but for now, peace.